Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, I have partnered with an opportunity. I want to invite you. We want to look around, show you why I joined, and I could not be more excited to be a part of it and show you what some of my thoughts are going into 2023 and beyond and what we're going to do this year. It's going to be an amazing time in 2023. I'm telling you, residual income like I've have never seen in my life is going to be absolutely exciting. But before we get started, guys, make sure we like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Let me tell you what, folks, I am ecstatic about what we've got our hands on. We've got our hands on an opportunity to grow our wealth unlike anything we've ever seen in our lives. And let's get into the video. I partnered with Live Good. I want to show you why we did it and kind of get some of my thoughts. And I want to appreciate all of you that view these videos. I want to really appreciate that. I don't take that for granted. Everybody's time is valuable, and I want to share information that has helped my life. And I believe it's going to be beneficial to other people. And thank you for viewing and hitting that like button. Thank you. I really appreciate you. And I want to welcome all the new team members to any of these programs that I'm currently working with. It's just been an incredible journey. My life has changed over the last few years for people that partnered with me, and I just want to say thank you for partnering with me and having confidence in me to partner with me. And I partner with a lot of you all. I've learned so much from other people, and so that's what it's all about. We can do better together. But the opportunity that lies ahead, it is limitless. I want to say that again. Let's say that together. Limitless. The opportunities we've got our hands on. And I'm gonna talk about my sponsor into some of these programs. Some of my sponsors. I want to give a big shout out to the Jose Greens, the Andre Wilsons, and the different ones that partner with all of our friends that are in these programs and business partners. Cannot be more excited for their support. And residual income. Jose Green talked to me years ago about residual income. I didn't see it like he saw it, but I see the vision now. Whatever we're doing, folks, we've got to have some residual income somewhere. And the game plan is not to go quit your job today or tomorrow, but put you on a game plan to walk away from it in some time ahead, in some times to come. And you get good at it, folks, you can do this thing on a full-time basis. Well, what is full-time? What I consider full-time, folks, I put maybe about 15, 16, 17, 20 hours a week, maybe, if that much, into my business. Some weeks I get by with 15. Some weeks I get by with 10. Depends on what I got going on that week. And I enjoy it so much, folks. It's not even work. It's just, fun stuff to do, promoting and helping other people. Very excited about it. What the game plan, and I suggest that you do it too, guys. I have traded stocks, options. I've messed with futures. I've dabbled with cryptocurrencies. I've done Forex. And I'm currently messing a little bit around in some of all of that. But not as much. I want to put myself in a position that I'm not staring at a chart all day wondering what a stock going to do, wondering what a currency pair, what the Euro USD is going to do, what Japanese pair, what the Federal Reserve is going to drop interest rate. Is the stock market going to be up 500 points today or down 500 tomorrow? Is Bitcoin's going up or down? You know what, folks? Those things are fine. Whoever want to worry with them. And like I said, I still mess a little bit, but I am putting myself in a situation that irregardless of what the stock market does tomorrow, irregardless of what Bitcoin does, irregardless of all that, we're going to put ourselves in a situation that we create our own economy. Go where we want to go, do what we want to do, stay as long as we live life on our terms, never asking for a vacation. Hit that like button, folks. Put yourself in a situation that you are in charge of your destiny. And that's incredible to me. We're going to do it with residual income. What I am doing, I am in several programs, and what I am doing on the front side, the front end, Kurt talks about it. Kurt down in Florida talks about this thing. Residual income on the back end. We're going to I'm marketing big middle ticket programs or instant pay programs, like if you make a sale today, get paid today, on the front end. And I'm taking a portion of that money Yeah, of course, you know, bills, everyday operations, and I'm buying traffic and funding the back end residual income. We're building massive teams to where, folks, if you build residual income right, like uh, the Live Good, the Live Grid, or any other residual program, build them things out to over $10,000 per month. It is possible. Income disclaimer: in this life, nothing's going to happen for you until you take action, and you do a lot of it. You can look at video after video after video, but until you take action, folks, let me tell you what. Like example, this program here, fast. You can promote that program. I mean, easy to promote. Mail flyers and people join. Get a good mail list. I keep it all exploding. Hey, I got a video coming out maybe later today or the next few days. I got major updates for that. I keep it all. These big ticket programs like Leverage Profit System, I had a $3,500 sale come in. And these things are great. But guys, at the same time, you need to have a residual income plan. I partnered with Live Good also. This is the program that I partnered with. I'm excited to be a partner in it. And basically I'm running cold traffic. I am buying solo ads. Like, for example, buying solo ads from Tim. He's a solo ad provider. Guys, I know about over 100 solo ad providers. I bought in my life over 150 solo ads over my career and buying more. I am running cold traffic to this page right here, this landing page, this opt-in page, and this system is doing all the selling, telling, explaining for me so I never have to. It is talking to people. It is sending people emails. I don't need an autoresponder. The company's providing one for me. It has the fear of loss in the power line system. You're placed under people. By Thursday is the cutoff date, and people are signing up. Folks, you can get started for $49, and you got a potential to make $10,000 over time. It ain't going to happen tomorrow, nor next week, nor next month. But sticking with it, the sky can and could be the limit. Folks, this is incredible what we've got. We've got you join, you get that subscription started. You pay that one-time $40 joining fee. The subscription's $9.95 per month. You got your business, or you can pay the yearly fee for $99. $99, and you got a business. That's once a year. Folks, this is incredible to me. And the products. Don't get me started about the products. We'll go through those in just a minute. But I'm going to show you some reasons why I joined. Let me click off of this. This is some reasons. And you may want to take a strong, let me run this thing here, consideration of this here. This is why I joined. I did this video here. I'm going to stop the video. I'll show you some reasons why I joined Live Good, which is, I think, is incredible. Hit that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. It helps me out in the ranking of this video if y'all care about me. Okay, here's what we got. Look at this, guys. I'm going to go over that in just a minute. I'm going to show you some more. Wait a minute. Of the Live Good. That's the other video. I go up on this video right here. Live Good. I listed, and I meant to have it already ready, but I listed why I joined. Direct deposit. Weekly fast start down through 10 levels. We get monthly residuals. We've got a 2x15 force matrix. Folks, if you're watching this video, a lot of you are pre-enrolled. Get upgraded in this thing before Thursday, guys. And before, what if this thing lasts the next 25, 30 years and 1 million people come in behind you? It's possible. And folks, we're going to run traffic to this thing like somebody's chasing us. 50% check match and bonus down through 5 generations. Retail commissions, influence bonuses, diamond pay, power line, if the fear creates the fear of loss. We've got 3 marketing sites for affiliates. Corporate offices in Florida, and this system converts like crazy. What people do, guys, they're going to watch this video. I'm going to show you this video in just a second. And this video creates the fear of loss. That every Thursday they come in. And this is absolutely powerful to me, guys. I mean, absolutely incredible. So let's take a look at some of this stuff here. As we're walking around, you get 3 websites, the products, the retail, the corporate, right here, is as the people opt in, folks. Let me show you an example of what the system does. Look at what I opted in, guys, with another email address. And look, this is what I'm getting. Congratulations, this person upgraded. Congratulations, this person upgraded. The Live Good team. Congratulations, this person upgraded. It's constantly sending people reminder emails about somebody's upgraded. Live Good team. Congratulations, Beverly Moore upgraded in the power line. Terrell Wiles upgraded in the power line. And that's how that thing works. It's going to remind people all week long. And if you want to really increase your earnings, guys, you can send them a personal email. And I can show you how to do that in minutes. I can email 50 people within, it'd take me all of maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes. I can email 50, 60 people, one by one by one. That's optional. That's just what I do to increase signups. But if you don't never send them an email, guys, the system's going to do it for you. Look at the products, folks. The value in the products are incredible. The value in the products are exciting, and the prices are amazing. Mike Shoma, big shout out to Mike, was talking about some of the pricing on some of these things are just absolutely amazing. I'm not going to go over the price, but guys, look at the products. In another video, I'm going to go and you can buy everything pack, guys. A lot of people are coming in and they're getting the whole thing. Some people have came in and bought the whole thing, and I'm amazed to see that. You can buy the whole thing. Let me see all the products for. Look at this retail price $349. You can get the member price for $219. That is exciting to me. Let's go straight, guys, to the compensation plan. I'm not going to talk about a lot of products, but I'm going to tell you the products are incredible. The super greens, the super foods, the hemp oil, all that stuff is incredible to me. The ageless, the fruit punch energy drink, amazing. Folks, when you recruit somebody, they pay the $49.95. You're going to get a $25 fast start bonus paid the very next week. Can you click the like button? Showing that you appreciate it. Folks, we get paid 6 ways. The fast start bonuses, down through these levels, matrix commissions, folks, down through 15 levels. Is there money in the compensation plan? $2,000, $4,000, $4,000, $8,000, $16,000 based on a $9.95 per month membership. If you're watching this video, guys, skip down and join right now. I'm going to send you an email on how to get traffic to it. Good gracious. This is incredible to me. Fast start bonuses, guys. On top of that, $2,047 up to $16,300 you can earn in your personal matrix. You can also have 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone that you enroll and a percentage of everyone they enroll. 5 enrollments deep, regardless where they fall in the matrix. Folks, it is go time. 2023 is going to be an incredible year. We want you to get started and get going in this thing. We can go in more detail in other videos, but we get paid 6 ways. Power line creates the fear of loss. That it keeps it exciting. Keeps people coming in left and right. Here I go. When people don't enroll, I did this the other day with my other email account, and it's already got 1,000 people in there, 187 paid members, and folks, this thing is steady growing. The cutoff day of the position, as I record this video, is there. You can win, folks. Every Thursday is the cutoff day, and we want you to win big with Live Good. It is go time, and we want you to partner along with us. Once you partner, guys, I'm going to send you a welcome email with some of the solo ad providers that I get. Guys, run some traffic. Don't go crazy unless you know the solo ad vendor. Here's Tim. Tim does a great job for me in running clicks, solo ads. Like I said, don't go nuts, guys, unless you know the solo ad provider. What I do, guys, I spread it out. I'll go order maybe 150 clicks from this person, 150 from that person, 150, unless I know that person real good. Then I'll order, 2, 3, 4, 500. But I got to know who I'm ordering traffic from. Not all traffic is created equal, guys. Not saying that once you order, all your dreams are going to come true. I'm not saying that. I'm saying we can run cold traffic, let the system do the following up, guys, and we can win big. And we do it over and over again, teach the team how to do it. Wow. Great things can happen. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave you there. Hope you have a wonderful day. Get signed up right now. Don't wait to Thursday. And we'll see you on the road to success in 2023.